What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Miller from MC Production Garage, and today we are cleaning my 2006 230. Now, you saw me paint it in the last video, and well, it's kind of dirty from when me and Braden went off-roading. And his bike is actually, it's been like a week since I've been here. His bike's actually still in his truck from like a week ago, and mine's like actually inside, thanks to Ryan. Shout out to you, Ryan. It's like 50 degrees outside, and the wind's blowing like 30 miles an hour, so I really don't want to do this, but I need a video and I need content and I need to wash the bike. So I'm thinking I'll just knock it out with one stone. So this is the bike. It's kind of like stained with mud from Braden spraying us like on the forks and everything. Kind of caked up with mud a little bit. Oh my gosh, this thing is actually disgusting. It did really good. The only problem that I had with it throughout the whole ride was the brakes going out, which I don't really know why they went out. I wonder if they're working now. Okay, so they're kind of not really working. Probably some mud got up in this back brake somewhere and caked it all up, so I couldn't stop. But man, do we have a job to do. Oh my God, why am I doing this? All right, guys, first, we're gonna go to get a different pair of shoes on because I don't really want to wear these to wash because they're brand new. So I'm gonna go get some boots on. Let's put them on right now. That looks kind of silly, but it'll be all right. Let's go wash these bikes. Alrighty, I got the 230, got the TTR 110. We got the pressure washer, so let's hook this puppy up and let's get started washing. Got both bikes out here now. Let's get started on washing them. I'm gonna turn this thing on here, see how good it'll get all this stuff clean. That'll be pretty good, but worth a shot. Guys, so the TTR, it's nice and clean now. It's pretty clean. It's like not all the way clean, but like it's clean enough. So just wanted to get all that caked off mud off of it, but now is gonna be the true test. So this is gonna be fun. So here we go. Well, guys, I don't even know what to tell you. I don't know if I can get this thing clean or not. The mud that's on there right now is like stuck. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to clean this thing off. I mean, I got it. So I got it mostly clean. We still just have a bunch of mud like left on the wheels. And up here, y'all, I don't know. Look at all this mud like right here. Just like it's caked on there, like up in there and everything like that. I just don't really know what to do. And it's like all caked up under there and everything like that. I'm gonna try my hardest. I'm gonna scrub it a little bit more and try to give it a little bit more love, but she might not be totally clean whenever we're done with her. Well, ladies and gents, this is about as clean as she gonna get for now. I ain't spending any more time on it. Got most of this mud right here. As you can tell, before it was like all clumped up there. Front wheel's pretty clean. Bike's all together pretty clean. Let's see if she'll start. It's been about a week. Oh, well, the key's been on the whole time. That's grand. Oh yeah. That right there is why it started. Dope. What's up, guys? It's Miller from MC Production Garage, aka Braden's editor, aka Braden's friend, aka I don't really know. So today, we are actually at my house today. As you can see, it's decorated for Christmas, everything like that. So we are actually gonna unload the bikes. They're in the back of the truck out there. I need to get them out and go ride around because I kind of filmed like a washing video of both of them and it wasn't really long enough for a video. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them out, ride around for a little while, show y'all like my area and try to get into some mischief. So maybe I'll find somebody to ride with, maybe not, I don't know. All my friends are busy today and didn't want to ride with me, even though I have two bikes that one of them can ride. They didn't want to hang out or ride today. So we're gonna go on our own little adventure. So let's go get these bikes out of the truck. All right, got the Pity, we got the 230. Yeah, see guys, she's still kind of dirty. Oh, I missed so much stuff when I washed it. Oh my gosh. The Pity's not that dirty, but then again, it's not that clean because I kind of rode it around at Braden's house after I washed it. So let's get these guys unloaded and yeah, let's do it. First, what we got to get is the dirt bike stand so I can get the dirt bikes out of the truck. And thinking about these right here, the skis, I need to wash them off, get them ready to go skiing next week because I'm gonna vlog and show y'all me skiing. I got Braden's extra GoPro, so we're gonna take these skis up to the mountain and we're gonna do a skiing video, a skiing vlog. So y'all be on the watch out for that because that's gonna be lit as hell. Let's get this dirt bike stand now. Gotta take the old Subaru up to the mountains because you know, gotta do that. Gotta go play in the snow for sure. Oh boy. Guys, the 230 tire looks real flat, so we might not be able to ride that in this video, but let's get the TTR out. Woo. That was almost bad. Y'all, this 230, it starts up and like runs every time I ask it to, dude. Like, for a carbureted bike, I don't expect that much out of it, but like, it does pretty good. Like, it hasn't been ran in like 4 days and it's like freezing cold outside. It's just running. Like, I really need to do a carburetor video on the TTR because it won't idle, but it runs really good, but it won't idle. So the idle might be too low, or the pilot jet just needs to be cleaned out. So if y'all want to see that, post down in the comments and I'll do it. Yeah guys, what do y'all want, what should we ride first? The TTR, the 230. Let's let the 230 warm up for a little while and let's go ride the TTR around the yard. I'm gonna switch over to GoPro. See you guys in a minute. Another thing we're about to do is take this baffle out of this thing because we need it to sound like a dirt bike, not a moped. So let's get to that first. All right, we got this like Starbit wrench thing. Not really sure what the name is, but I got it's on T25 right now. So let's see if this works. Broke it loose. Let's undo it now. All right, got the most out of the way. All right, so got the bolt out right there. Let's take this baffle out now. Oh my God, how long is this thing? Marty didn't say it was this long. If it'll come out, I don't know. Let me go get some pliers real quick. All right guys, I got it out now. It's right there. It's really long for some reason, so I'm kind of scared of how it's gonna sound. Maybe it'll sound pretty good, so. Oh my God, hell yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, this thing sounds awesome. Why the heck would they ever put that baffle in there? I don't understand. That thing sounds awesome now. It sounds like a real 250. So now I got both bikes sounding like mint. Oh boys. Well, all right guys. I'm gonna go put on my helmet right there, and we're gonna hop on the TTR. Then we're gonna go hop on the dirt bike, and we're gonna go rip around. All right, let's pick these up off the ground. Oh man, they're all dirty. Oh shucks. Let's put these on. I need some new goggles. What color goggles should I go with? My helmet's like. What color is my helmet? Like orange and white and green and red. So what color goggles should I get? Maybe white goggles? They'd look kind of sick. So give me some links down in the comments of what kind of goggles I should get. Let's go rip around, y'all. Get the old Pity started up. Let's take the keys out of the 230 just so it doesn't get stolen while we're gone. We'll talk about the plans and everything we got going on here. We got fasterminis.com on there. Dango Designs, because that's the kind of clip we're using right now. Why the heck is the 230 just leaking? What the hell? What in the world, dog? That's crazy. I think the float's messed up. I have no idea. We're gonna have to look at that. Get Braden on that one for sure. All right, let's go rip around the Pity though. Oh yeah, she's cold, that's for sure. I'm about to be freezing. It's freaking like 40 degrees out right now. Oh, she's she's not warm enough to do wheelies yet. You think I could host like a little pit bike race around my yard? That'd be kind of cool. Oh, I should jump that. Alright, let's go around the block, talk about the bike a little bit. Alright, so what I really want to do with this thing is like get a good build on it. And I know a lot of people build pit bikes on YouTube and stuff like that, but I think I could do it a little bit differently, and that everybody else can like suggest what I put on this bike, you know what I'm saying? So like, y'all help me build it. And I think that'd be a cool thing for y'all to do. And at the end of the day, everybody who's helped me put everything on it, I'll like print out the names on stickers and put in sticker bomb part of the bike. And I think that'd be a really cool thing, so everybody can always see who helped build the bike. So let me know what I should do for this build and stuff like that. So I do want to get a different exhaust for it. I want to get like an FMF or something like that. That's a really big bird over there. Holy cow. God, y'all, it's cold out here. What am I doing? I got handlebars already. That's already been known. I need tires. Tires would be really helpful in this build. Let's see what's over here. Can I get into any of this right here? You used to be able to ride up and down around here. And there used to be a jump right here. See how there's like kind of a cut? You used to be able to come up this and it was like really cool. But yeah. Oh, the water's really high today. Oh. Little wheelie action for you. Let me know what you think. I want to get new plastics, blue plastics with cool graphics on it, white tail like I have now. Definitely want to paint the wheels white, because a lot of people just paint their wheels black on pit bikes, and I think white would be kind of cool. But yeah, and I need to get the BBR fork springs, because this thing like just bottoms out like easy. Watch this. Like that's bottomed out. Like that's crazy. That's way too easy to do. Y'all, it's cold. Ah! It's going hot a little here. Ooh. Okay, alright. Ooh, leaning the bike a little bit. Dude, this thing would be so much fun if I had like other people around here to ride with, so. But it's kind of cold, too cold for this shit. But yeah, guys, I didn't think the other video had enough like juice in the video, because I only watched bikes. Like, you need something to do something else. So this is gonna be like the last half of the video, where we're riding around and stuff like that. Y'all, it's way too cold for this. I'm gonna go get the 230. I'm gonna go get the 230. We're gonna ride it around a little bit more, because this thing is just way too cold, and I'm probably gonna put on another jacket, because it's just like way too cold for this right now. That's a big trailer. That's a nice truck, actually. Oh my god. Okay. Another 7.3 in the neighborhood. I'm gonna have to step up my game. We'll jump into the front yard. Hopefully, won't be too bad. Oh, not too bad at all. Go up here. Get a little berm action. Okay. Okay. Swerve in here. Don't miss those branches. Oh god, there's more branches. All right, come right here. Lay it nasty. Yeah, we're getting it now. Oh, let's hit this jump right here. Oh, yeah, nice. Alright, guys, let's take the 230 out, because that thing's going to be fun, and it sounds so much better now. We really need to do a garage. We're going to do a shed build on that. Whoa, why are you... Oh, that was a little weird. We need to clean out the shed right here. Let me show y'all inside of here, because I have no room in that garage. Hi, myself. Am I recording? Okay, I am recording. There's not enough room in my garage to put anything, so I think... Dang, Dad knocked over my wheels. There's not enough room in the garage to put anything, so we're gonna have to clean this out one day. Next video, leave down in the comments if you want to see this, like a shed build. I got some lights to put up right there. You see where we tried to do it before, but I've got some really good lights now that we could just put in here. We'll put like a tool chest in here, and we'll like have a bike shed, and it's gonna be super sick. All right, let's get this 230 out. It's not leaking anymore. That's good. I can't believe it leaked where it was. I don't know why. It shouldn't be doing that if the gas is on reserve. Like Braden said, not. Maybe I had it on. I don't think so. Dog, whenever I move it and stuff like that, it leaks really bad, dude. Something's up with the carb again, but it runs good. That's good. All right, let's take this puppy out real quick. Oh, should I get another jacket? Alright, we got this little air compressor here I have for my car tire just in case. We're gonna put some air in these bad boys because it just needs a little bit. Not too much though. It's got like 10 psi in it. That'll be good enough for now. Zay, when you gonna fly me out, dude? Let's freaking go ride pitties. I'm gonna smoke you. This thing's so badass, dude. Now that the exhaust is like loud and shit, it's like a real dirt bike. I need to get different handlebars for this thing though. I really don't know how to ride big bikes, like go into berms and stuff like that. So if y'all want to leave suggestions down in the comments, I'm open to all suggestions. All I know how to do on big bikes is this. Yeah, boys, we're on a big bike now. That front tire looks so loose, y'all. It is loose. What the hell? That thing feels so loose. Like when it's rolling, it's going like that. I wish I knew somewhere I could like go and jump or something like that, but I really don't. Yo, this front tire is so sketchy. It's probably bent. It's probably bent, Garrett. God dang it. It sounds so freaking good though. It almost sounds like a 250, but it's not because this is 230. Woo! Y'all hear that? Hell yeah! The D-cell pop though. That's so great. Yo, this front tire, I'm telling you, something's up with this front tire. We're gonna get this thing all squared away though. I can't wait. The plans for this thing are handlebars, plastics, probably full exhaust system. I'm trying to think what else. Like, just to make it as clean as possible. Let's jump off. This thing's actually got suspension, so I can jump off the... Woohoo! That's fun right there. And yeah, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. It's really cold outside, and I didn't think it was gonna be this cold, so I'm gonna go edit this video. Try to fit my bikes in that garage right there somehow. And yeah, guys, but I hope you liked today's video. Leave a like and a comment, and yeah, more pit bike videos to come, more 230 videos to come. Gonna clean this thing up, gotta clean the garage up. See, it's already leaking again. What the heck? Anyways, guys, hope you liked the video. Hope you liked the pity ride. Hope you liked the 230 ride. Hope you liked me almost falling off the back of the truck. And yeah, guys, have a good weekend, and I'll see y'all next time. By myself.